This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Adalia Fabregas. Welcome to this fabulous renovated home with modern flair. Featuring an open floor plan and a serene lanai overlooking plush tropical landscape. Step into the foyer where you are greeted by decorative tile floor inlay and 20 light gray tiles throughout. There's plenty of room in the light and airy living room with a view to the outdoors. The kitchen showcases a breakfast bar, a textured backsplash that coordinates perfectly with the granite counters, plus all new Whirlpool appliances, a convenient pantry and a cozy breakfast nook for savoring meals from sunrise to sunset. The lanai is enveloped by glass sliders on all sides, allowing for natural light to penetrate the home, so sit back and marvel at the birds chirping around you. The spacious MB ensuite has 2 closets plus glass sliders onto lanai. Both bathrooms are very stylish with modern decorative tiles and glass doors. This home is perfect for the most discerning buyer. Tarpon Bay presents a slew of amenities including infinity pool, fitness, billiards, library, tennis and more. Conveniently located near I-75, 20 minutes to RSW, 7 miles to the beach and walking distance to dining and shopping. For more information, review the details below.